Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to cancel your Walmart Plus subscription. Open the website, then click on Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now enter your email address. After entering, click on Sign In. Then, enter your password. Once entered, click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on the tab that says Walmart Plus. At the upper right side of this tab, you will see an option for Manage Membership. Click on Manage Membership. Now, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, you will see an option that says Cancel Walmart Plus. Click on Cancel Walmart Plus. So it will ask you if you're sure to cancel. To proceed, click on the Cancel Membership button. Lastly, state the reason for canceling. Choose from the options provided. Then if you want to add a comment, enter it on the text box. After that, click again on the Cancel Membership button. That's how you cancel your Walmart Plus subscription. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.